So to start off the new year, I decided to get one of these 100 envelope challenges, and so I got this one. This is so cute. It's a nice little container. It has, let's see what the kit consists of. It has about 100 envelopes in here, and as each set has a nicely patterned. That is the envelopes. They're nice pretty colors. The intention with these envelopes is to put the money in these envelopes. They're so pretty and cute, and they fit nicely in this little container. Okay, so with this set comes, like, let's see, first of all you have instructions. These have instructions. We have some on these cards here. These are basically scratchable stickers. What you have to do basically, you just probably take a coin or whatever, scratch off the white area, and you will see exactly a figure, and that is the figure you're going to use to put in a particular envelope. That's the whole concept of it. And when you're done, you take the sticker and you put it on the envelope, like how I did this one here. This is the first one I did. I scratched the circle, and the amount that I have that is seen here is basically $1. So I put $1 inside of this little envelope here, and that's it. And I stick that sticker onto this little envelope, and then I basically put this back into here and proceed, each day you do that process. And we also have this card here, basically is saying, like, each envelope has this amount, and I basically just ticked off the day, the amount that I put, the amount that I put in each envelope. I ticked off that, and at the end of the project, now when all the envelopes are filled up with these amounts, the total is supposed to be $5,050. That's the basically goal of this challenge. So I'm excited to do this. It's fun. I love the little container. It's nice and neat and compact, so you can pack away this easily without taking up too much space. And also with it comes like this other card too as well. Let's see. Yeah, there's thing on both sides, so 1 to 25, 25, 26 to 50, and you have the date, the amount, the balance. So basically keeping a track of the amount that you have each time you put money in the envelopes. Like, for instance, like today I put some money today, I'll put the amount and I'll put the balance. So I'll just keep on tallying that, so at any point in time you will know how much money you have in this little kit. This little box is so cute. I like it a lot, and it's a nice little gift, like maybe for a teenager or maybe a younger child to get the concept of saving their money. This is really nice. And for me, I'm using it. I have a particular goal that I'm using this for, so I'm excited to do this.